My smart poodle.
Hey girl, my poodle must be the smartest dog ever. I trained him very well. And he can do many tricks now.
Oh, really? I'm not so sure about that. You always say he's smart, but I have never seen anything amazing.
Oh my, you will be surprised today. Let me remove his leash first. Max, sit, look. He sits so fast like a little gentleman.
Well, okay, that is cute. He even looks proud of himself.
Good boy, now stand. Look at him. Doesn't he look like a tiny dancing bear?
Oh no, I can't stop laughing. He is so funny.
And now, bark, Max. Let's hear your big dog voice.
Ha ha ha, that was the cuttest bark I've ever heard, like a toy dog's whisper.
All right, last trick for today, Max. Spin around. Show your best move.
Wait, he is just lying down. Oh my, is he sleeping?
Oh dear, I think he's too tired from showing off.
I knew it. He is smart, but only until nap time comes to visit him.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Poodle. A small dog with curly hair. Leash. A rope or strap used to lead a dog. Trick. A special action a pet learns to do. Your listening question is: what happens when the sister asks the poodle to spin around? Answer: he lies down and falls asleep. Fancy food for the cat.
Look, my boy, here's the dry cat food. I think we should take this one and get home now.
Oh no, Grandpa, please don't choose that boring dry food. Look at this fancy bait.
But the dry food lasts longer and keeps her teeth strong. Why do you want this expensive one so badly?
First reason, Grandpa, cats love tasty food, just like we love pizza. Don't you want her to enjoy every meal?
Well, I guess it's nice if she enjoys it, but that's just one reason.
Second reason, she will feel more loved if we give her something special. You always tell me we should take care of family, and she is family too.
Oh my, you are using my own words against me.
And the last reason, if she is happy, she will play more and be more active, which means more fun for us when we're home.
All right. I can't fight with such good reasons. Let's leave the pet store and bring the fancy pate to our little queen.
Yay, she will be so happy tonight.
Our cat is eating better than I do. Maybe next time you should buy me some fancy pate too.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Pâté. Soft meat paste, sometimes made for pets. Dry food. Hard pet food that is dry and crunchy. Pet store. A shop that sells animals and pet supplies. Your listening question is: what is the last reason the grandson gives for buying the fancy pâté? Answer: because if the cat is happy, she will play more and be more active, which means more fun for them. The Talking Parrot.
Wow, Bob, your parrot is so colorful and looks really smart. I bet he can say many things, right?
Oh yes, Jack. He talks a lot, but that's exactly the problem why I need to put him in a cage now.
Really? How can a cute parrot cause trouble?
Let me tell you the first story. One time my landlord came to visit, and the parrot kept saying rent is high. Rent is high, over and over again.
Oh no, that's so embarrassing.
Days ago, my girlfriend's parents visited for dinner. Out of nowhere, the parrot kept shouting my dear Elizabeth, again and again.
Who is Elizabeth? Isn't your girlfriend Alice?
I don't know any Elizabeth. That's probably from one of the movies. Anyway, Alice was so mad at me.
Poor you.
And the last one is the worst. My boss came here to drop off some papers, and the parrot, still on his perch, kept screaming, "I don't want to go to work." Again and again. How can you remember such a long phrase?
Oh my, your parrot is a little troublemaker.
Yes, he's smart, funny, and beautiful, but I really need to teach him better words.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Parrot. A colorful bird that can copy human speech. Cage. A container made of wire or bars to keep a bird or animal inside. Perch. A place for a bird to stand on. Your listening question is: what is the last thing the parrot kept saying when Bob's boss visited? Answer: I don't want to go to work. The hiding hamster.
Mom, you don't have to worry. My hamster is very smart. He knows how to play hide and seek with me.
Oh, really? That sounds cute. But I hope he doesn't hide somewhere dangerous.
Don't worry, Mom. He's very good at hiding in safe places. Yesterday he hid under my pillow, and I found him in 2 minutes.
Well, today it's been 10 minutes, and we still can't find him. I'm starting to worry now.
Oh, come on, Mom. He's just very good at the game. Maybe he's behind my bookshelf.
I checked there already, and I also looked under your bed, in your closet, and even in your desk drawer. No hamster anywhere.
This is strange. Oh, wait. What's that soft movement inside my slipper?
Let's see. Oh my goodness. He's curled up inside your fluffy slipper, sleeping like a little king.
I told you he's smart. He found the warmest hiding place in the whole room.
Yes, but next time maybe tell him the game is over before I turn the whole room upside down.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Hamster. A small, furry animal often kept as a pet. Slipper. A soft shoe for wearing indoors. Hide and seek. A game where one person hides and another person tries to find them. Your listening question is: where do they find the hamster at the end? Answer: inside the daughter's fluffy slipper, sleeping. The lovely rabbit.
Oh well, Mrs. Margaret, your rabbit is so cute. Look at his big eyes and soft fur. I just want to hug him all day.
Thank you, dear. His name is Snowy, and he loves gentle people like you. You can come and play with him anytime you want.
Really, that would be amazing. I've never had a rabbit before, so I don't know how to play with him.
It's simple, darling. First, you can give him some fresh lettuce or carrots. He loves to nibble slowly, and it's the sweetest thing to watch.
Oh my, I can already imagine his tiny mouth moving. That must be adorable.
And you can hold him, but remember to be gentle, just like this. Rabbits get scared easily.
Got it. I'll be careful. I don't want to scare Snowy. I want him to like me.
He will like you if you visit often. Just don't give him too many treats or he will get too fat to hop around.
Ha ha ha, okay. I promise to keep him fit and happy. Thank you for letting me play with him.
Thank you for loving my dear Snowy, too.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Rabbit. A small animal with long ears and soft fur. Lettuce. A green leafy vegetable rabbits like to eat. Carrot. An orange vegetable, a favorite snack for rabbits. Your listening question is: what vegetables does Mrs. Margaret say the rabbit likes to eat? Answer: fresh lettuce and carrots. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.